Mother's Day is fast approaching, so here's a tasty brunch recipe you'll want up your sleeve. M&S Savoy cabbage and spring onion potato cakes with crispy bacon and eggs. Start by cooking your seasonal Savoy cabbage and spring onions in olive oil and butter until the cabbage is softened completely. Let it cool, then mix it in a bowl with British red potato mash, grated M&S Cornish cove cheddar, salt and pepper. Divide the mixture into 8 even patties and pop them into the fridge to firm up for an hour. Meanwhile, heat the oven and cook your smoky streaked bacon until it's crispy. Once they're chilled, dust the potato cakes in flour, shaking off any excess. Then fry them in olive oil for a couple of minutes on each side. Add some butter when you flip it to get them nice and golden. Serve 2 potato cakes with a fried egg on top. These are M&S omega-3 enriched eggs because your mum deserves the best. Then finish with some rashers of M&S smoked streaky bacon. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from M&S, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.